Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we provide dating advice for men. In this video, we're going to be discussing the science of attraction. How to make her fall for you. When it comes to attraction, there's a lot of science behind it. And if you want to make her fall for you, you need to understand the science of attraction. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about body language. Body language plays a crucial role in how others perceive us, and it can greatly impact the level of attraction that someone feels towards us. In fact, research has shown that body language accounts for a significant portion of our communication with others, as much as 55%. So when it comes to attracting someone, it's important to be aware of the body language signals that you're sending. To start, make sure that you're standing tall and straight with your shoulders back and your chest out. This not only conveys confidence, but it also makes you appear taller and more dominant. Another important aspect of body language is eye contact. Maintaining good eye contact with someone shows that you're engaged and interested in what they have to say, and it can create a sense of intimacy and connection. Avoiding eye contact, on the other hand, can make you appear untrustworthy or disinterested. Additionally, it's important to avoid closed, off-body language, such as crossing your arms or legs, as this can make you appear defensive or unapproachable. Instead, keep your arms at your sides and your body facing towards the person you're talking to, which conveys openness and receptiveness. By being mindful of your body language and making an effort to convey confidence and openness, you can greatly improve your chances of attracting someone and making a positive impression. So, the next time you're out on a date or trying to make a connection with someone, remember to pay attention to your body language and make sure that you're sending the right signals. Second, be a good listener. People are attracted to those who show a genuine interest in what they have to say. Pay attention to what she's saying and respond accordingly. Ask questions and show that you're engaged in the conversation. Third, be positive. People are naturally drawn to those who are positive and upbeat, so make sure you have a positive attitude and outlook on life. Avoid complaining or being negative. Fourth, be confident. Confidence is a major factor in attraction. If you're confident in yourself and your abilities, she'll be more likely to be attracted to you. But be careful not to come off as arrogant or conceited. Fifth, use humor. Humor is a great way to connect with someone and make them feel comfortable around you. Use humor to lighten the mood and make her laugh. Lastly, show genuine interest in her. Ask about her interests, hobbies, and passions. Show that you're interested in getting to know her on a deeper level. We hope you found these tips helpful and informative. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. We're committed to bringing you the best dating advice and relationship tips to help you navigate the complexities of modern love. We'd also love to hear your feedback on this video. Did you find these tips helpful? Have you had any experiences you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments section below. We're always interested in hearing from our viewers and value your opinions. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.